Sweetheart, I've made a decision. I'm not going to get mad anymore. I'm not going to be impatient anymore. I'm going to clean up after myself. I'm going to be the greatest husband ever.
Alon, you're dreaming. Wake up.
Dreams, dreams, dreams. Everybody's having dreams. Yosef has a dream, the baker has a dream, the bartender has a dream, and even Pharaoh has a dream. The Jewish people went into exile because of a dream, and the Jewish people are coming out of an exile because of a dream. Yosef had a dream that all of his brothers would bow down to him. That's what caused them to hate Yosef and sell him into slavery, the beginning of the exile. And Pharaoh has a dream which Yosef gave the interpretation of and became the ruler of Egypt, helped the Jewish people to come out of the exile. So what does exile and redemption have to do with dreams? King David writes in Tehillim, B'shuv Hashem et Shivat Zion hayinu kecholmin, that when Hashem redeems the Jewish people out of the exile, it will be as if it was a dream. The exile is like a dream. On one hand, we want to come out of it, we want to wake up. On the other side of that, while you're in exile, while you're still in a dream, anything is possible. When you're awake, you're limited by the laws of nature. Every step you take, it's got to be one by one by one. There's an order to things. You're moving up slowly and steadily, but when you're asleep, you're dreaming. You can think of an elephant that fits into an eye of a needle. You can think of impossible things. That what you think is impossible, that's beyond your limits. When you're in a dream state, you can make it happen. Jump as high as you can go. The sky is the limit. During the time of the temple, we were on an incredibly high spiritual level. We were all Jewish Jedi masters. But even so, we were still limited of elevating from level to level in a particular order according to our abilities. And now in exile, we might mistakenly think, I'm so far away from being a real spiritual master. I know exactly who I am. I know exactly my limitations. I have so many things going against me. I can't do this and I can't do that. How could I possibly achieve any type of change, any type of transformation? But the mystics teach us is that when you're in a dream state, when we're in this present state of exile consciousness, even things that might seem way out of your reach, you can make it a possibility. We can break through, mamish, jump over limitations and obstacles. So remember, right now, you actually have the power. You can do anything. After all, it's just a dream.